Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing the Fifine, I think it's pronounced like that, technology USB microphone. Now if it's your first time here, welcome, and you should consider subscribing because I review different products. You can see it comes in a nice package. I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to pick one of these up. It's got some information there. Fifine Technology K668 user guide. It comes with the stand as well. It tells you how to set it up. It is compatible with Windows, Mac and Linux. It's got a lot of information, this little booklet. And in terms of the sound, it should tell you somewhere. At the bottom there, it tells you the specifications. It's got a sticker there, it's got email and the web address. Just a thank you there to say you've bought the product offers and stuff. And the microphone itself. This is all made out of metal. Well packaged, we'll give it that. Even comes with the foam cap. Look at the stand first. That's the metal stand. It's got 3 rubber feet there that will screw onto there, and it does extend. It does sit quite secure, that. The microphone itself, the wire is obviously stuck on, you can't remove that, and that is stuck on as well. I mean, if you want it more secure, I would recommend a boom arm, but it has got a lengthy USB lead. Now I was reading the manual earlier on, and Fifine do recommend to connect this to the back of your PC. It's got some branding there, so let's just connect this thing on. So just simply turn it on. Yeah, it's quite secure, that. And then you can turn it to any direction you want. So it could be there, come out with there, anywhere you want, and put the cup on top. So there it is. I've put the cap on the tripod, and you can leave it in any direction you want. Let me connect it to my PC and then we'll see how it sounds. The audio you're listening to now, guys, is from the Fifine microphone. I'm recording this in my editing software. I use Sony Vegas Pro 15. So it's a decent microphone. The only downside is you can't monitor your audio, but apart from that, it's okay. Not bad for the price. I think I paid about £18 for it. I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to pick this up from Amazon. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.